Everybody, Aaron here with SmartPath Technologies. Today we are going to be talking about how to download, install, and configure Filezilla to be used with an existing FTP server. This tutorial does assume that you are using a Windows computer. First, you're going to need to download the Filezilla client. You can go to their website, but if you see the big green download button, don't click that one. That one includes some adware with it, some bundled offers. Instead, click on the option to show additional downloads. We'll put a link in the caption of this video for you. Use that link instead. By default, the software will save to your downloads folder on your computer, but this may differ depending on your settings. Once the file has downloaded, go ahead and run it to install the software. You can keep the default values for most of the selections. You can add the little checkbox if you want a desktop icon for the program or not. Otherwise, click Next to move through the install wizard. Once finished, go ahead and launch up Filezilla. Now we are assuming that you already have the server name, username, and password that you're going to need. So let's make a new site by clicking the button in the top left. Then create a new site, and you can name this site whatever you'd like. We're just going to name this one Test. In our case, we are using an SFTP server, so we'll select that from the protocol drop-down. We will then enter in the host that we're going to be using, as well as our username. Now we'll go ahead and click OK here to save this as a site. So now we have our site that's present in Filezilla for us to use. So we click on that, supply the password, and then press OK to connect. If you do get a certificate message, just go ahead and tell that to Trust and press OK. So you'll see at the top we have some messages giving the status of the connection. And we have a successful connection. So the folders on your computer are on the left, and the remote computer is on the right. You can drag and drop back and forth to upload or download files as you need to.